Welcome back again to the Tesla Fanbot channel, and welcome if this is your first time. This will just be a short botcast, the fourth in the series, and today the Fanbot wants to talk about the next Tesla Gigafactory, and to make a plug for a Gigafactory down under where Fanbot wants to see not thousands, not even tens of thousands, but hundreds of Teslas of all shapes and sizes driving on our great Aussie roads. Yes, we know that the next Gigafactory will be in China, and Fanbot gets it. There are over 1 billion people over there in China, and they all love Teslas too. But come on Elon, we love Teslas down under too, and we have lots of lithium, nickel and aluminium ore to make our Teslas from. We also have lots of unemployed auto workers here since Elon's nemesis, the legacy American auto giants GM and Ford left our shores 5 years ago, and even Toyota and Mitsubishi, who once made cars here, along with Chrysler back in their day, they are all gone, leaving a huge hole that only Tesla can fill. Us is like our big powerful cars, and that is exactly what Tesla could provide us with, along with lots of superchargers to keep them running. So come on Elon, maybe you could make the first Tesla station wagons and utes, just the way we like them down under. It wouldn't take many modifications to transform a Model 3 or Model S into a ute or wagon, and they could be exported all over the world to people in other countries who want them. All the mechanical components could be identical to the other cars, just as the Model Y was based on the Model 3. That's the Fanbot's little rant for tonight. Please like and subscribe if you like Fanbot's idea, and comment below what you think of the concept of an Australian Gigafactory.